Toyota Racing Development is disclosing its cutting-edge group of TRD Pro go-romping trucks for 2019 at the Chicago Auto Show, bringing execution highlights like innovative suspension segments to the whole lineup, another 4Runner rooftop rack and an air admission snorkel to the Tacoma. The whole TRD Pro family, the Toyota Tundra, 4Runner and Tacoma, gets aluminum-bodied 2.5-inch TRD Fox Internal Bypass studs. They're tuned for the particular qualities of every vehicle by TRD specialists and offer enhanced hosing for on and rough terrain driving circumstances. The Fox studs supplant the outer sidestep tubes normally utilized on rough terrain race vehicles to oversee damping weight by minimally consolidating numerous sidestep zones within the safeguard, offering a padded, rich ride while as yet accommodating bottoming protection. They additionally join high-temperature stun liquid and nitrogen gas strain to deal with knocks and fortify the seals. Front studs are additionally matched with uniquely tuned TRD springs, which add to ride solace and give each TRD Pro truck a forceful, higher position for the trail. The back Fox studs match with a piggyback repository to hold additional oil volume, which keeps up crest damping execution amid outrageous utilize. Each model highlights an unmistakable back spring arrangement, and TRD clean boots include in the front and back to help keep out tidy and earth. The Tacoma TRD Pro has a 1-inch more extensive track in both front and back for included strength. It likewise gets a bigger front influence bar, refreshed front slip plate with TRD red lettering and TRD debilitate emphasized with another dark chrome tip. Inside, in-tune premium JBL audio, incorporated route and application suite all come standard, and there are TRD Pro marked floor tangles and calfskin trimmed seats, among different highlights. Likewise accessible is the thing that Toyota is calling the TRD Desert Air Intake, aka a snorkel, to enable keep to tidy and soil out of the 278 torque, 3.5-liter V6 motor's air consumption amid rough terrain utilize. The Tundra TRD Pro gets new LED mist lights and headlights, another grille and new hood scoop, in addition to new 18-inch BBS manufactured aluminum, 5-talked glossy silk dark wheels. There's a double TRD Pro fumes, again with the dark chrome tips, and TRD Pro marking shows up on the back quarter boards and all through the inside. A moonroof is discretionary. There's an additional inch of front lift on the TRD Pro 4Runner contrasted with different evaluations, in addition to almost 1 inch of extra wheel travel and an about 1 inch more extensive track front and back. It additionally gets another rooftop rack, a passed-out grille and projector pillar headlights with smoked trim. The TRD Pro arrangement goes at a bargain in the fall with a decision of 3 hues for every vehicle: Super White, Midnight Dark Metallic or Voodoo Blue, the last selective to TRD Pro.